Hi guys, I'm Neeti from Wow Skin Science and I'm a women's wellness educator. Today I'm here to explain everything that you need to know about a menstrual cup. What is a menstrual cup? A hygiene alternative to sanitary pads, tampons and panty liners. Menstrual cup is a soft bell shape made up of 100% medicinal grade silicone. Insertable like a tampon, it collects blood and does not absorb. So the next question is how to use a menstrual cup. Wondering how to fold a menstrual cup? That's the most common question asked. How to insert it? The first one is C-fold or U-fold. Hold the cup with both hands just underneath the rim so your thumbs are close to you. Push the sides together to flatten up the cup. Fold the cup in half-length ways to create the U or C shape. Next one, punch down fold. Use one hand to hold the cup at the base. Place your index finger of the opposite hand on the top of the rim. Use the finger to push the rim down inside of the base. Using your left hand, push the sides together and hold firmly. The next one, the 7-fold. Hold the cup with both hands just underneath the rim. Push the sides together to flatten the cup. Take the right corner of the cup and fold it down towards the stem. And the last one is Origami Foam. Use one hand to hold the cup at the base. Place your index finger of the opposite hand on the top of the cup rim. Use the finger to push the rim down inside of the base, about halfway. Take the right corner of the cup and fold it down towards the base of the left side. So these are the few ways to insert a period cup. The next question is, what is the position? There are 3 different ways to take position to insert the period cup. Relax your pelvic floor muscle in a sitting, standing or squatting position. Spread your labia with one hand and with the other hand insert the period cup. Insert the period cup into your vagina in the angle of 45 degrees. You should stop inserting the cup once the stem is even with the vaginal opening. Twist the cup in the angle of 360 degrees to make sure the cup is sealed and is firm. Wash your hands with mild soap and sterilize the cup in hot water from 5 to 15 minutes. One of the most frequently asked questions, who can use this cup? This can be used by anybody from any age group. It doesn't have to be postnatal or prenatal, anything in specific. So we understand that every woman is different and every woman's need is different. So to pick the right size, you need to insert index finger into your vagina to measure the length of your cervix to check what is the right size for you. There are 2 sizes that fits everybody. Small, light to medium flow, average to low cervix. Medium to heavy flow, average to high cervix. To find your cervix, you'll need to find the longest finger to insert into your vagina. You can do this with your one leg up on the side of the toilet seat. You can also do this whether or not you have your periods going on. Do you have a high cervix? If your longest finger goes almost all the way into your vagina before it reaches your cervix, you have a high cervix. Do you have a low cervix? If your longest finger finds your cervix around the middle knuckle mark, then you have a low cervix. The next question is, how long can you keep the period cup? So this period cup can be kept from 10 to 12 hours depending on the flow. If you're having a heavy flow, you can empty the cup twice a day. So now you know there are so many more benefits for using a period cup. It's light on your pockets. Reusable menstrual cups are environment friendly. Menstrual cups may not be for everyone, however, you can consult your OBG for the same.